Pictures add meaning and visual appeal. You can insert pictures from your computer or from the web. To insert a picture from your computer, select Insert, Pictures. Choose the picture you want and select Insert. To insert an online picture, select Insert, Online Pictures. Choose where you want to get the picture. Sign in if you need to. Select the pictures you want. And then select Insert. To replace a picture with a different picture, right-click the picture, select Change Picture, and select an option. Give it a try. Add a picture to your Office file.